We'll see about that. Oh. Alright. Oh god. When he says that, he's got something. What's up, everybody? Another adventure today. We're not kayaking. We're actually at Rock Island State Park. Got some waterfalls, got some trails. Gonna have a good little adventure. Ready for it. We are here. Technically, that's the trail. We'll see about that. Get the TV. Ooh, there's a cold hole and a warm hole.
A popular location for hiking and swimming, offering deep blue pools, cascades, and scenic trails. While the Candy Fork River Gorge is an incredible display,
alright, so this might get exciting.
Understand the risks associated with entering it.
He's talking about risks, so let's go.
Oh yeah, we don't care about risk. Alright, I need you to be looking for critters. Feel free to look out for cool plants.
Alright.
I'm sure people will like that. Oh, what kind of plant is this?
Metallicus policus.
Oh, never heard of it. I'm gonna have to look it up.
Rare. Only grows right there.
That's the only one I've ever seen.
Yeah, usually it only grows in cities.
I mean, that's a cool start. I'm glad I didn't wear any shoes I care about.
Yeah, it's usually nice and wet up through here.
Oh shit. Look at this. It's just... Hey, I like this so far. This is cool as shit. I'm gonna go fast so you don't get wet. There's waterfalls on the steps. This is nuts. I didn't bring a change of shoes. I just brought some flip-flops. It is awesome. Oh, wow. I will say it's slippery, so just be careful.
I'd love to just smell it there.
All the green. It does, yeah. I would say if I was like a bird, like that's probably gonna be my spot. Let's flippy floppied out. It's funny, the way I came around the corner, you just popped up.
Bro, mine's got crawfish on the water. See?
Oh, I do see them. Oh, wow.
There's a few of them.
Let's see.
Oh, does it see them?
Oh, I hope so.
That's cool. That's definitely recording them. Get right up in the
Someone's underwear. Oh, it's just underwear.
There's orange fuzzies all over the rocks.
Interesting.
Maidenhair fern. That's what you're seeing everywhere.
Maidenhair.
Yeah.
All right, all right.
And then they call that a lizard skin. Liverwort, I believe.
A lizard skin.
Yeah. Some kind of wort. I think it's liverwort.
Liverwort.
I think so.
All right.
It's been a long time. Some kind of ancient ass.
Bro, I hit my head on the ceiling like earlier.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm trying to use my pack hole.
Pat has years and years of flip-flop walking experience. I've got this year. Wasn't expecting this to be what I'm doing. We're going this way. I just don't want to drop my keys or my phone in my wallet. Hot, guys. I think we're ready to swim. Oh. I don't went this way. That's a beautiful view. So,
Yeah.
I'm sweating my ass off. This is crazy.
Drink. Or we're gonna swim.
Eat, drink, and swim.
Great combo.
Very good combo. That's a nice stack there. Even the small waterfalls are awesome. Yeah, that'll be fun. Okay, just cannonball without looking right now. No, I'm just playing. There's no telling how deep it is.
It's deep enough.
Well, you can't see. Look how shallow it is right there.
That's because there's a rock right there. I bet we could wade in on that big flat rock.
Could probably wade in right there. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a little gross.
Yeah.
It is just moss, but it's gonna be so slimy when we get in. All right. By the way, guys, if he gets in, this is the only time I've ever seen him swim in something other than a pool. Looks like it's shallow over there.
What?
Looks like it's shallow there. So we could definitely start there. We just gotta navigate through all the shit.
What do you think right here? Let's give it a shot. Whoa! Almost died! Ah!
It's either here or one more step over.
Oh, yeah, that is perfect.
Yeah? Alright.
Oh, it's so cold! Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Oh, it's so cold. Holy shit. Come on, bro, don't leave me here. It's so fucking cold, dude.
No, I'm not getting in. If it's cold, I'm not getting in.
It's cold as shit.
I'm just playing. Might not be on camera.
Woo!
Oh, that feels so good.
Woo!
Oh, I don't give a shit if it's cold.
It's like ice cold, bro.
Bro, that's it. Oh,
Holy.
it might be cold on my gonads.
It's gonna be cold on the nuts for real.
Yeah, but right now, oh. Yeah, it's ice cold.
You want to leap in ahead of me right here? Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, don't knock me in.
Go for it.
Alright. What makes you think I like cold?
You didn't say you wanted it cold.
No one, I didn't say I wanted it cold. Oh, god
Don't
dang.
bother me. It's too hot.
Oh, it's,
Yeah, once
Yeah.
you're there watching it, you're like, oh shit, that's a commitment, isn't it?
it's just a big set down, yes.
It's a whole foot. That is cold nut.
I don't like it. I can see the bottom. That's the only saving grace.
Yeah, but it's like gonna be like nipple deep.
Alright, so what you're saying is I should put the nuts in now.
Yeah, just go ahead and get
Alright,
it.
alright.
Oh! That's
All right.
actually smart.
I feel like it is. Alright.
You know what? Fuck it. Get them used to
Alright,
it.
yeah.
I guess not that bad once you're in it.
They're acclimated now.
Teabag in the river
Yeah,
now?
we're good. I teabag the river.
Oh,
it's cold.
no,
Oh
that's
shit.
bad.
That's not that bad. It actually feels really good. Look, those kids are in it.
Yeah, that makes me a pussy, right? Alright, here we go. That's so fucking cold, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, it's on a straight line. Woo! Almost slipped. That would have been bad.
Oh shit, bro. Bro! It just drops off right there.
You made it to where I can't even fucking see now. Alright. I still have your, oh, shit.
Luckily, it's pass the baton.
Oh, shit. Oh, we're fully submerged now.
We are, like, it's cold. We just gotta understand that it's cold and get over it. There's nothing we can do.
We're free now, though.
Yeah,
We've accepted our fate.
we have.
Oh,
It's almost over inside.
Yeah, is it cold?
Yeah. There's one over there. It's like a hot tub.
Yeah.
Really? Oh.
Nope, can't touch.
There it is. I can't touch no more. Gotta swim now. Dude, I feel like we're in another country right now, though. Like, look at that waterfall. That looks like fucking Africa. Think we can get out of here?
I mean, I can't say anything right now because I can't touch.
Oh. Try to put my shit back on. Get off the shoe.
Are you trying to go under the waterfall?
Right here? That seems kind of dangerous.
There's hella current.
You're gonna fucking die. Oh man, we gotta get to the shore.
Hey, this moss looks like pubic hair. What? That's nuts. Literally. That was nuts. It was fun. I would absolutely do it again. But it was fun. Oh God. When he says that, he's got something. Oh my God. What the fuck is this? Hey, grab this. Never mind, we're good.
Dude, it's cool as shit in here.
Bro, this is awesome. Y'all ever wanted to know what it looked like behind a waterfall? There you go. What the fuck? go get a beer.
You want to go hide our shit and come back?
We don't have to hide it. No one's gonna get it over there.
Let's go.
We were behind that. Alright, so Matt wants to go on top of those waterfalls over there. I do too. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start heading that way. A whole new world. Did we find it? Oh God, what did you catch? What is it? Hold on.
I know, I'm trying to get you with it.
Oh, nice. He said that we might not supposed to be up there. That's kind of what I like to hear. Yeah, we're going out there.
Careful of that.
Okay. Well, as long as we don't jump, right? Oh. All right. All right. Ever seen the top of a waterfall before?
Well, do you want to explore down the other half from the other way from which we came?
Yeah, we can. So we're going back down?
Yeah.
That's going to be the fun part, isn't it?
Yep. It's just not a good idea to be up here too.
Hey, my flip-flop just broke.
You're gonna have to put on shoes.
It does suck because my shoes are absolutely gonna get soaked. Starting right here. We want to keep our shoes as dry as possible for as long as possible. It's not gonna work. Well, I guess the good thing about me having to take a detour with my shoes is I got to see something like that. A mini waterfall going on. So now my shoes are wet. And there's nothing I can do about it right there. Rest in peace. Oh no. Alright. What's done is done, guys. What's done is done. My shoes are now soaked. We just take that loss. This place is awesome. It's the best place so far, for sure. Would you say it was a successful adventure today?
No!
All right. No more adventures for us.
Yep.
Yep, that's it. That was stick. He's mad. He wants more. I will say, Rock Island State Park, definitely go. This place is awesome. Oh shit. He's dead. Oh, why would you show me a dead one?
Get where they get the rocks from, but not the island part.
Yeah, it's definitely far from an island. Even the stairs are a waterfall. That's crazy.
Huh?
I said even the stairs are a waterfall. That's crazy.
Everything's a fucking waterfall.
Alright guys, that's it for our adventure today. I definitely recommend coming to Rock Island State Park. Great experience, beautiful views. So yeah, until next time guys, we out.